Hello, welcome to the ABCD channel. Firstly, I'd like to ask you to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to help us produce more videos. Shall we get on with the tutorial? To install ABCD with XAMPP already configured, you need to go to abcdcommunity.org and click on the Download button, right on the home page. While the file is downloading, some important information should be mentioned. ABCD is software that runs in browsers, i.e., it's web software. ABCD's programming language is PHP. This language requires an interpreter for the page to be displayed in the browser. The PHP interpreter is run by a web server called Apache. XAMPP is a package distributed free of charge with the main open source servers on the market, which means you can install Apache and PHP independently, but this requires a little more technical knowledge. Another very important piece of information: you shouldn't use the ABCD installer if you already have another application that uses Apache. Make sure you don't have any leftovers from other versions of ABCD or any Apache running other software. That's it. Download finalized. Let's run the installer. This process is very simple and you just need to tick to create the desktop icons. Now just wait for the installation process, which takes a while. While XAMPP with ABCD unpacks, I'll give you some more important information about what you're installing on your computer. XAMPP, as I've already mentioned, is a package distributed by Apache Friends, which means it has nothing to do with ABCD. It is recommended that you use it to run ABCD on Windows simply because of its ease of installation. If you wish, you can download XAMPP and install it separately as well. What needs to be made clear is that XAMPP is a suggestion, not a rule. So if you have the knowledge, you can install it on any structure you like, as long as it's a web server with PHP installed and allows CGI scripts to be executed. That's it. ABCD is installed. These three icons will be created on the desktop. The Start ABCD icon installs and runs ABCD. ABCD Admin is the ABCD Center. ABCD OPAC is the ABCD search page. This is a normal ABCD installation where everything went smoothly. But if you have problems running Apache and therefore opening ABCD, open Windows Explorer and go to the XAMPP folder. There you'll see these files, Apache stop.bat and ABCD start. Run them in order using the Run as Administrator option. First Apache stop, then ABCD start. Try opening the center or OPAC again. If this doesn't work, comment below on the video so that we can make videos with other possible problems that may arise in this process. I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video to help us produce more material. See you soon.